If you're on Medicare or researching Medicare and you want that solid coverage supplement plan with affordable premiums, Plan N has become one of the most popular Medicare supplement plans for people to have. And quite frankly, it's one of my favorite supplement plans from a cost versus benefit perspective. In this video, I'm going to go over how Plan N works, what it actually covers, and who is it really the best fit for when getting onto Medicare. Hi, I'm Joseph Pate, better known as Medicare Joe. We've helped thousands of people enroll into Medicare supplement plans, and Plan N is one of the most popular plans that people will pick. So in this video, I'm going to do a deep dive into how it works and if it's right for you. So to start off on what Plan N is, for those that don't know how a supplement plan works, Medicare covers A and B, and that's going to be covering you at 80% of your medical bills. So when you go with original Medicare, you need to buy a supplement plan to cover the 20% that Medicare doesn't cover. So that's where Plan N comes in. It's going to pick up that 20% gap as a Medicare supplement plan. The difference with Plan N versus Plan G is that once you meet the $283 deductible on a Plan N, if you were to go to the doctor again after that point, so we have the $283 deductible, we go to the doctor again after we've met that, they can charge you up to a $20 copay for that doctor visit. And if you go to the emergency room, they can charge you up to a $50 copay. So it is a supplement plan that covers you in totality on the 20% gap, but we do have these little out-of-pocket costs that can come up during the year for doctor visits and ER. So with Plan N, it works just like any other standard Medicare supplement plan like Plan G, where you don't have a network of doctors. So there's no network you have to worry about keeping your doctor or staying in. If the doctor takes Medicare, they have to take your supplement plan. And there's no referrals that are required. And quite frankly, it's the second lowest out-of-pocket cost option when it comes to looking at what is my total out-of-pocket exposure when on Medicare. And now who it's for is going to be, up for debate. So Plan N really, in my opinion, is best for people that are relatively healthy and they want to be protected in the event that they do end up needing to use their insurance quite a bit. So it's a really good fit for people that go to the doctors, anywhere from 2 to 10 times a year. They're comfortable having those small out-of-pocket copays of $20 at the doctor, $50 at the ER. Like, that's not a huge concern for them. And they're really looking for a balance between what they're going to be paying in premium versus what they're going to be getting in coverage. They don't want to be overpaying in premium and not using the plan. So they're budget friendly. I always say they're really looking for what is the best bang for my buck, is a phrase that we use here with our team all the time. As a recap for this video, so the way Plan N works, again, it's going to work with your original Medicare. It supplements original Medicare, covers that 20% gap. It does have much lower premiums than the Plan G. If Plan G is budgeted around $150 a month, Plan N usually comes in about $100 a month. So it's much more affordable on a monthly basis. It does have small copays that you'll have to pay when you start using the plan for the doctor and the ER, 20 at the doctor, 50 at the ER. And it's really best for people that are looking for that optimal balance between cost and coverage. Again, we say that, in my opinion, this is the best bang for your buck plan when getting onto Medicare if you're picking a supplement plan to go with your Medicare coverage. If you're on Medicare already or about to be on Medicare and you want to make sure you're doing everything right, you can click the link below, book a call with one of our team members. We can walk you through your exact situation, make sure you are dotting those I's, crossing those T's with the coverages that you select. If you are just in that research phase and you like this video, give me a thumbs up with the like button. That helps send this out to other people that are doing the same thing you are, researching. And if you like this video, you want to subscribe to our channel, click the red subscribe button. We post YouTube videos weekly with new information, updates, so you can stay in the loop. Click that red subscribe button. We'd be happy to have you a part of our channel. Thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful day.